First, go into settings, and you go into the peak and fire options. So you can go into peak and fire to enable peaking. Then you can also do peak and open scope. What this does is that if you peak, it automatically opens your scope for you. To peak, you can make it tap to lean or hold to lean. So if you do hold to lean, you have to hold it down to lean, and once you let go, it automatically stops. But then for tap to lean, which I was showing before, you only have to tap the button once to be leaning, and then tap it again to unlean. Okay, let's go and win this game.
That I'm at an all-time low.